Signaling is considered as nerve control of metro system. Signaling in Delhi Metro has also expanded. The DMRC network expanded from 8.5 kilometers in 2002 to 349.45 kilometers currently. Presently, there are 9 lines and 1 airport line, that is total 10 lines. These are called as main line or running lines. The number of stations on these lines has also increased from 6 in 2002 to 253 in 2020. Along with this, there are 13 depots, where trains are at rest during non-operations or non-revenue hours. In these depots also large number of signaling assets are installed. With growth and expansion of Delhi Metro, signaling assets have increased. Expansion of Delhi Metro. Presently in every kilometer, there are 5 signals. There are more than 1,000 points or crossings in Delhi Metro. These points are used for train diversions, during termination of trains from one line called as up line, to other line called as down line. For every 3 kilometers of track there is an interlocking, where complete control of signaling is stored in software, and whole logic for operation is stored. Platform screen doors have also been provided for the safety of passengers on new lines, and also being tried in other lines. Presently in every kilometer, there are 10 track circuits. In new lines, that is line 7, 8, and 9, with advancement of technology, axle counters are also used. There are 4 main OEMs, whose equipment are used in 10 lines of DMRC. These are Alstom, Siemens, Bombardier and Nippon. Unlike other departments of DMRC, where a unified system is used throughout all the lines, in signaling 4 OEMs have different equipments, makes the task of maintenance, operation, and inventory management more challenging for signaling staff and executives. Signaling department, which has more than 1,000 staff strength. More than 50% of gears are 10 years old and require either replacement or overhauling or refurbishment or upgradation. The availability of spares from OEM, on one side, is getting longer as time schedule commitments are extended, and on other side cost is escalated. The limited numbers of OEMs are busy in other states Metro, where Metro have just begun operation or are engaged at the project level stage. Being a technological-driven system of OEMs, the staff skills are limited, and placing of staff across various lines is not possible without specific training. Various spare gears, rule procedure cannot be used from one line to other line. Mostly the software proprietary and design drawing is not available and are not shared by OEMs. The indigenization of various products is thus difficult or not advisable. Nevertheless, DMRC efforts are towards Automnirbar, and various steps have been planned, and will be adopted in coming months. The aging AFTC will be replaced, and ICBTC will be used, therefore, the section can be retained for another 5 to 10 years. The OEM-specific point machines used in lines will be replaced, with universal IRS types machines, where multiple vendors and RDSO experience can be shared with Metro operation. The aging of UPS will be tried with module IPS version or any improved version. Due to complex software logic of interlocking, immediate replacement is not possible, therefore CMC contracts or long-term supports with test bench from OEM will be explored with Indian companies who can channelize with OEMs. Doors indigenization has already begun and under progress, along with many other new developments like e-logbooks and component repair by in-house labs or local vendors. Recently, an innovative idea under guidance of Director Operations, Shri A. K. Garg and Managing Director Shri Mangu Singh is also under implementation with local Pune vendor. And is making efforts to indigenize all its products by 2023.